Yeah. Yeah, I finally got my Microlocs. Yes, baby. And they are everything that I thought they would be. I'm going to take y'all on a journey with me today. How I got it done, where I got it done, the whole process. You ready? Y'all, it's Amara, the Star. Back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. I hope you stick around. I am Amara. Catch a vibe. Stay and catch a vibe. It's a vibe. Hey, I'm gonna be taking you on a journey with me to Memphis, Tennessee, where I was born. We're gonna go back to my hometown. So I currently live in Arkansas, but I am from Memphis. And so the loctician that I connected with in Memphis, I actually met her through a friend on Facebook. Tiffany is her name. I've wanted Microlocs, like I said, for a very long time. I used to have locks when I was when I graduated high school. I started my locks. But I cut them after going through some things when I was younger, ending things. My hair is really my like bookmark of my life. Like you can tell what's going on. I can tell what's going on by what hair I have and how my hair changes and the decisions I choose to make with my hair. It's very much connecting to my spirit and my soul. I cut my locks, then let my hair flow and grow. I wanted to experience my hair grown out, colored it a few times, cut it off a few times. Here, before I did this process, my hair was, I had cut all of my, well, not all of my color, hence these ends. I didn't know this much was still colored, but I tried to do the straight natural route for about a month, and it gave blowout, not straight, like home blowout, like before you're gonna go to your Easter program blowout. You understand where I'm going with that? It wasn't a bust down. Let's just say that. But it was cute, you know. Whatever we did, what it did, but it just wasn't giving what I wanted it to give. So I was like, we got to do something else. And I was like, you know what? I have ended a lot this year. I have canceled a lot. I have closed out a lot of chapters, burned a few bridges. You understand what I'm saying? The reality that I have already stepped into, baby, y'all couldn't come with me. Y'all couldn't come with me. And it's all love. It's all love. It's all love. No, seriously. It's all love. Seriously. It's all hope for the best things in life, for these situations, chapters, jobs, people. It's all love. I love me more. Where I'm currently stepped into is a season of stability, flow, a season of luxury, of a season of ease. It was time. So we just did it. There was no thought behind this, only intention. That's why I did it. When I cut my hair, my locks the first time, I said the next set of locks I get are going to be sister locks, Microlocs, either one. I did want to know the process. I wanted to compare other people's process, see the time it took to lock. What's the difference between sister locks and Microlocs? Which really all I found is the trademark name. Unless I'm wrong, I don't know. It got real confusing in the research at that point, and that's when I just had to turn my brain off. So you know what? Look, this is too much. I don't know. I did have a lot of inspiration for how I wanted my locks to look, and of course, everybody's journey is different, but I did have some inspiration, okay? I wanted my locks to be of color. Cute golden brown. I really got most of my inspiration from Lux Libra, the Giovanni Dorch, okay? That's my godmom, y'all. I was a little worried that they would be skinny or you could see more of my scalp than my hair. I didn't want them to look skimpy, but I don't know why I was worried about that. My hair is very luscious and thick. Honestly, they came out like I could not have imagined this. They came out the way they're sitting, the color, which we're about to get into, baby, because that whole color process that was a little painful. I'm not gonna lie. I've been coloring my hair for since high school, and baby, I've never had a problem, never been worried. It's always been, oh girl, we're gonna do it, whatever, it's nothing. This color process kind of stressed me out. I was really scared, but y'all gonna see. Y'all still here? Come on. I'm not going to talk during this whole process, but I just wanted to give some background on what I'm doing to my hair right now. So previously to taking down my twist, I had a lot of buildup, which is what I'm trying to comb out here. But I just got some baby oil. I warmed it up and put it on the roots where most of the buildup was and let it saturate and kind of melt it away. And then after that, before I bleached it, I did go ahead and wash my hair. I didn't do a major wash, just a quick little rinse. I have heard before that you want your hair to be a little oily before you bleach it, but it was extremely way too oily to the point where I knew it was going to not be conducive to a clean bleach job. So I just went ahead and rinsed it and washed it with a little shampoo, one rinse, and let it air dry. I did not bleach my hair the same day I washed all of that stuff out. I did that 2 days prior. I knew the Microloc installation process was going to be a little strenuous on my hair, and I did not want to start that process with damaged hair. So I definitely took all necessary precautions with my bleaching process as well, because I know that the bleach process is going to dry my hair out anyway. And 2 days prior to doing the bleach, I did use Dr. Bronner's to get all that gunk out of my hair, so that also dried it. I just didn't want to do too much. I also was sure to time how long this was in my hair, because when I used to bleach my hair before, I didn't time nothing. I took it off when it was the color I wanted it to be. And I also didn't put the bleach on my roots until I got done with my entire head. Now, you can't tell it in my face, but this is where I started to get nervous, because you can see the ends of my hair are like reddish pink. I definitely thought I cut off all of my color before doing this, and it I guess not. But I did keep hope alive all the way through. The bleach box that I bought also came with a violet conditioner, which I did mix in with this Nexus amino bond to use after I wash my hair. So this is after I washed it, and it's a lot redder than I thought. There were also a lot of patches of black that I did not get. So those of you who know color theory probably are hoping this is a green toner. It is not. Oh, it is not. And not too much. I'm an esthetician, not a cosmetologist. And maybe it's the Aries in me, but I do like a little mess around and find out moment. I do. It was looking uniform and hopeful for the color at first, but it didn't turn out that way. This is the shampoo I use. It scored an 87 out of 10 on Yuka. I got it from Family Dollar too. So after rinsing out the toner and seeing that it did absolutely nothing, I went back to the beauty supply and tried a different color that would look good on that blonde. And I've always wanted to go ginger, but I wasn't ready to do that today. And seeing that the color still wasn't even made me almost crash out. It's just not what I wanted. And still we rise. So I headed to Memphis the next morning, and honestly, I started to like the color. I don't know, maybe filling in my eyebrows with the same color really set it off, and I could start to see a future with it.
Before I get my sister locked.
You and me bitch riding dirty. In the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch it down kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shining pearly. City boys that she find it pretty, and the country boys that she find it pretty. Yeah, my pockets think it's green as curry, and the ladies know soon as they see my jewelry. If being fresh to death is a crime, I think it's time for me to see the jury. Millionaires, they on the grind. Hustle like me is hard to find. I ain't really impressed. That's unless it's about some dollars. There's no need to call you fine. Know you be hearing that all the time. Watching you do your step. Do your step. Yep, it's going down.
So it's been about a month. It hasn't been a month. Let me see. Y'all, why did I just realize I got my hair done on 12/12? That's why I be saying, like, no thought behind it. No thought behind. No thought. All intention. Ah! When she finished and I left, they were a little new. They were new. She finished, though, that the ends were going to be crazy looking for a long time, but I curled them with my rollers, and honestly, the ends are locking quicker than the braids. Looking really good, and I'll probably do this again after I wash it. I'll probably curl them. Other than the ends, I didn't have any worries. Cannot stop playing in my hair. Like, it's so beautiful. It's so full. I literally love it. And just being able to wake up and just go and just, I live for it. Okay. Style wise, I usually wear it down. Previously to getting these done, I was putting my hair in a whole bunch of ponytails. My edges were so sore and tight and just needed a break. We're hollering for a break. So I have not been really manipulating my hair at all. Maintenance wise, put on a bonnet at night. I don't even put a scarf on my edges. I just put the bonnet on. Hydrate my hair. Because she told me not to put a bunch of water in it, I don't hydrate it every day. I do that every 2 to 3 days, but every day I do try to put some wild growth in it, or some pine tar. I'll rub that on my fingers and rub it on my scalp, and that's really it. And then I go in rosemary, sage, and clove spray. Now, I put some oil, some vitamin E oil that I got from the beauty supply in here when I made this. I'm really excited to see how my hair grows. I know it's going to be thick and luscious and long before too long, but I love it already. I'm so excited of how it turned out. I was not expecting it to turn out this perfect. For me, I love it. I have not scheduled my next maintenance appointment to get these retied, but when I do, y'all will definitely be coming with me. 6 weeks is coming up. I need to do that by the end of January for sure. Shout out to Tiffany Stewart in Memphis, Tennessee, my amazing loctician. Again, you did an amazing job. I am honored to have been your first. I'm honored to have been your model. It's a great journey. I'm excited. Thank you for having me. For the longest time, done my own hair. I used to do my own nails. I do my own skin. I do my own waxing because energy is important to me. People and how, not even how they treat you, how they feel about themselves, because how they feel about themselves is always going to be apparent in how they treat you. So that's important to me first. And having a person that does maintenance and wellness on my body, being a good person, is of the utmost importance. And Tiffany is an amazing, beautiful soul. She spoke so much life and abundance and manifestation over me. And just being her, and that's the gag, and just literally being herself and telling me her story and just it was so affirming to me. For all my subscribers and new subscribers that have locks or have started their microlock journey or are even interested in starting your microlock journey, I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment, engage with me. How is your journey going? How did it start? Like anything. We're a community here. I want to hear all about it. Y'all hear me, y'all sitting and watching me talk. I want to hear and see what y'all got going on too. That's all I got, y'all. No thoughts, just intentions. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell, follow me on TikTok, Insta, Facebook, everywhere at Amara the Stara. Bye.